Expanding binomials using binomial theorem. We're going to work with x minus 2 to the 5th power. So the first thing you do is you set up your combinations, and you're always using 5 as the first one. So you start with 5, choose 0. The first term goes to the 5th power, and it works its way down. 5, 4, 3, so forth. The second term, negative 2, works its way up, starting with 0, and these two match. So you're going then 5, choose 1. This works its way to the 4, exponent of a 4, and then the negative 2 becomes a 1. So the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the negative 2. And then for the x, you're going 3, 2, 1, 0. And then your combinations always starting with 5, 1, then 5, 2 matches this, 5, 3 matches this, 5, 4 matches the negative 2, the second term, and 5, 5, this matches this. Okay, so now that you've had your setup, you use your factorials. This is written as 5 factorial over 0 factorial, then times 5 minus 0 factorial, and so forth. This is 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 minus 5 minus 1 factorial. Here's this one, 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 5 minus 2 factorial, and then this one is written as 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 minus 3. Notice also that all of these other terms are coming down, and they're being simplified as they go. So this one's being simplified, and so forth, to make it a little easier as you move on. And then you continue writing them as factorials and simplifying your terms. And that's the last one, last term. And then you take each combination and expand the factorial that you set up. The first one, 5 factorial over 5 factorial is 1. So you don't have to work with that one. The second one, you're going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you have 1 factorial times 5 minus 1 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then you continue. The top is always 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then the next one is 2 factorial times 3 factorial. So this is 2 factorial times 3 factorial. And then you're just moving the rest of your terms down. So you continue with the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you have 3 factorial, which is this, times 2 factorial. And you simplify that. And then you continue with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for the next and last term. Then it's 4 factorial times 1 factorial. And then the last term, you have really 5 factorial over 5 factorial, which ends up being 1. So you're left with 32. So when you're finished simplifying all the coefficients and everything that you multiplied out, here's your final answer.